What's the meaning of acupuncture? Acupuncture. 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 Acupuncture is a form of alternative medicine that originated in China. It involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body to stimulate the body's natural healing processes. The result can vary depending on the individual receiving the treatment and the condition being treated. But some common reported effects include pain relief, improved sleep, reduced stress and anxiety, and an overall sense of well-being. Acupuncture is commonly used to treat chronic pain conditions, migraines, fertility issues, and even addiction. Research has shown that it can be an effective complementary therapy for many health conditions.